I was hospitalized, and I can't tell you the number of drugs that I have been given over the last 3 years.
Jen Petty's struggle with crippling depression began with a head injury 4 years earlier. She saw a well-qualified psychiatrist who quickly prescribed an antidepressant and said she'd be fine.
I wasn't fine. In fact, the antidepressant made me worse. I had more anxiety. It started a whole cascade of events that led to a suicide attempt.
Unfortunately, Jan's experience is all too common. There are numerous effective antidepressant drugs, but which one works for a particular patient is a trial and error process.
Because 70 to 80% of people fail on the first medication they're given. Many people drop out of treatment.
Enter the Mind Analytics Peer Test. It starts with this unusual-looking cap. It's actually a standard array of electrodes to record an electroencephalogram, EEG for short. Those brainwaves that come out look like a random jumble of squiggly lines, but they're actually a kind of telltale brain signature.
Yeah, inside those lines, there's actually a signal that's unique to your brain that will tell us what medications, what mental health treatments you'll respond to that are different from the ones I'll respond to.
Computerized artificial intelligence and machine learning generates a report that suggests the medication that a depressed patient is most likely to respond to. A number of studies have shown the test to be accurate enough that the FDA has granted it breakthrough device designation.
Which means you could get on the right drugs 3 times more often than a doctor using trial and error. We've shown a 75 to 85% better reduction in suicidal thinking.
Jan took the test, which suggested a low dose of a single medication was her best shot at relief.
In about 2 weeks, I was able to function normally. I'm doing great. Life couldn't be better, really, unless I could live closer to my grandchildren.
Cost is about $800, and insurance coverage has been on a case-by-case basis so far. Information on how to get the test is on our website at cbsnewyork.com. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.